Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Gochujang Jjigae, which is spicy pork stew. Let's get started. It's almost summer in Korea right now and the weather is getting pretty hot. So today, I want to make one last hot and spicy dish before summer. To get started, we're gonna prepare our veggies first. First, we need half of an onion. Slice it in half and slice it in half again. Turn it around and cut it into big chunks. About 1 centimeter thick slices. And put onion to the side. Next, we need zucchini. We're gonna use 1/3 of zucchini. Slice it in half and slice it in another half. And cut it into 1 centimeter thick slices. And put to the side. Next, get a 2 hot pepper. Cut the stem and slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need some Enoki mushroom, like this much. Cut the base, and we're gonna use half of it. Slice it in half, and just tear them apart. And put to the side. Next, we need a potato. Slice it in half. We're gonna use half of it. Slice it in half, and cut it into 1 centimeter thick slices. And put to the side. Next, we need 1 strip of pork belly. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. And put to the side. Get a pot and turn your stove to medium. And add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we're gonna add our pork. Once you don't see the red part of meat, turn the stove on low heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste, and mix it well. Once it's well mixed, we're gonna add 600 milliliters of water. Add your potatoes. And turn your stove on medium-high. While we're waiting it to boil, let's start the Kwon's Corner fact. Gochu means pepper, jang means paste, and jjigae means stew. So Gochujang Jjigae means red pepper paste stew. Gochujang Jjigae is basically 된장찌개 with a red pepper base instead of the soybean base. Most of their ingredients are the same. Most Korean restaurants sell 된장찌개. But you can only find Gochujang Jjigae at Korean barbecue restaurants. People usually eat Gochujang Jjigae with Korean barbecue to neutralize the greasiness of the meat. Once it's boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna lower the heat. And we're gonna put onions and zucchini. And we're gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic. After boiling for 5 more minutes, we're gonna add Enoki mushrooms and half of the hot peppers. And add half tablespoon of soy sauce. And have a little taste. It's very spicy and delicious. If it is too plain, you can add salt to adjust to your preference. But mine is perfect. Turn off the stove and get the bowl. Place your stew in the bowl. Place the Enoki mushroom for decoration. Place hot pepper for decoration as well. That's it. Our Gochujang Jjigae is all ready to eat. Eating time! Let's see. It looks so spicy. It's very spicy and hot. Ooh, I'm already sweating. Let's get some soup and potato on top of the rice and eat it together. Potato cooked perfectly and soak up all the flavor, so it's very soft and flavorful. Spicy pork is the best. If you just eat the pork by itself, it's really greasy. But since I cooked it in a stew, it's not greasy at all and it tastes so good. Enoki mushrooms are so savory and chewy. And all the veggie and meat and spiciness go so well together. So hopefully you can try. And if you try, please send me a picture through the social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. So hopefully see you guys next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!